Gen 1 FRS with some hot boy wheels. Also a clutch that came in too hot. Ugh, terrible. You can see definitely some odd wear on the pressure plate fingers. Also the pressure plate fingers got really hot themselves, and you can tell by that blue discoloring. If we give the old throwout bearing a spin, you can see the pattern shift, and then hopefully you guys can see the pattern move up and down. Not the failure I expected. If you look from the side, actually the pressure plate fingers are uneven around. So I'm thinking something inside the pressure plate actually failed, which caused the clutch disc to disintegrate and the clutch to drag like that. My personal favorite combination, Exedi Stage 1 clutch. This should be a little more of a sportier feeling, more clamp load. I really like the pedal feel of the Stage 1 Exedi clutch. New OEM pressure plate bolts, new OEM flywheel bolts. It's a great idea to replace those two sets of bolts every time. Also, one of my favorites, Exedi lightweight flywheel. In my experience, this weight of flywheel, Exedi lightweight or the TRD lightweight flywheel, will not cause misfire code. These guys will greatly improve the response of the engine, which is great. The only downside if you have sensitivity to noise, vibration, harshness, NVH. Some people have reported that you do get sort of like a grinding, something like that noise on decel. That's just the nature of lightweight flywheels sometimes. Also with this clutch job, ultimate throwout bearing kit from Battle Garage RS with our beefy new throwout bearing that gets rid of the troublesome and failure prone OEM throwout bearing. Also, the customer wanted the uprated Verus fork and the Verus pivot. Comprehensive repair that should last a long time with a great clutch pedal feel. Also pretty fun, got annex coilovers on this guy.